The following video is for entertainment purposes only. If you would like to train in martial arts, please seek the instruction of a certified instructor. Welcome to the intermediate nunchuck tutorial video. If you haven't watched our basic nunchuck tutorial video, I recommend you check it out first, especially if you are new to nunchucks. Now, without further ado, let's learn some more nunchuck drills. The first drill is circles in front. This first drill is a great exercise for learning distance with your nunchaku. If you mess it up, you get hit in the face, so it's a good incentive not to mess up. Also, having to swing the nunchuck towards your head is a great way to get rid of any hesitance you may have. Hesitation is a nunchuck wielder's worst enemy. The second drill is switching sides, like an uppercut. Chamber the weapon in what I like to call the Bruce Lee stance. Release with the top hand and swing the nunchuck upwards and grab it in the free hand, landing in another Bruce Lee stance. It often helps to imagine striking the opponent in the chin whenever you are doing the swing. The third drill is swinging above your head. This drill will once again help rid you of hesitation and add a new pathway that your nunchuck can swing. Start with the nunchuck on your hip, swing it up above your head, down to your other hip, creating a sort of ribbon pattern. Be sure to practice this on both sides using both hands. The fourth drill is inside the arm, inside the body. This last drill is great for testing how much control you have over your nunchucks. Start in the Bruce Lee stance and swing the nunchuck inside the arm, outside, and inside, just like in the basic nunchuck tutorial video. Except on the last inside swing, you'll bring the nunchuck to a stop using the outside of your hand. Then reverse the swings upward until you land back in the Bruce Lee stance. This move takes a bit of finesse and control unless you want your hands to get totally beaten up. Once again, practice this move on both sides. Thank you for watching. The third and final nunchuck video is on the way, and I promise it'll be here before 2025 at least. Have a great day and stay awesome.